Well.
Alright, I'm back. Let me also put stream on here. Wait.
Yeah.
Share your screen. What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm sharing it.
You are sharing it.
Can you watch? Okay. Yeah. Can you watch my stream for the beginning of your stream?
Okay, wait, let me just move you over here. Should I stream your stream?
Sure.
Okay. No, you're gonna put on the alarm. Wait. Okay.
It's not really the alarm, but I'm gonna get the alarm ready so I can show that off also, because I think the alarm is so great and powerful.
Okay, show us. I'm streaming.
Okay, but that's so good.
Damn, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, that one was cooked up by AI though. Anyways, this one is mine. Yeah, but you know, if you want to, let's say it's Christmas, right? Well, then you want helicopter.
Helicopter.
Yes, trust me. Okay.
Right, I trust
Yeah,
you
you
with the
take
helicopter. Damn, that's a crazy helicopter.
Yeah. This is my wake up.
It's time to wake up. What the fuck? Alright, was
You
that
gotta feel
it?
like you're in a war zone. Well, before that, I also have this one here. This is for when I'm getting to heaven. So this is my, like when I die and I wake up in heaven, this is what I'm gonna hear. Yes. So nice.
That sounds like growth.
Anyways, I'll go to sleep now.
Alright, that was Harold's beautiful art piece. It was really good, Harold. Thank you
More
for
like art
sharing.
piece. Yeah, thank you.
It has
What do we have here? We have a cheesecake.
We have a cheesecake here? Damn, that's
Yeah, we have acquired a
nice.
cheesecake.
We have acquired
And
a
now we will
cheesecake.
eat it.
Yo.
Yes.
Okay, but now we should
I need to
be...
make cheesecake simulator.
Yesn't.
Wow, look
wonder-
at that! That's so cool. Triangle. I think my alarm was more impressive though.
I don't know, bro. I think you yeah, I don't know, bro. U32. Wait, can I only multiply this by... Right, I can use it actually and float. This is just gonna be a bit ugly, but we like ugly. I wanna try something, alright? 0.8. And yeah, this probably won't work because I'm trying to incompatible types. And then min. I will have to. I will just create separate variables because otherwise this is just so hard to read. Const. How should I go about this? Because it will be.
You shouldn't.
Well, that besides that makes sense.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Okay, I will say height.
I'm even gonna be so kind, so I'm gonna stream to Cheesecake because I don't know, he's unemployed, you know.
Imagine being that. And then we'll
Please,
just.
Cheesecake, this is my project.
No.
Oh, you did PHP for money?
He did what for
Damn, so
money?
you are unemployed. He wrote PHP.
How could he? I thought we were
That's a good
friends.
question. Yeah, so Cheesecake, do you like... Oh, yeah, right, you don't see the windows. Right. Wait.
32. Wait, okay, I
Yeah,
just
it's
do a at
there.
float from int. What am I trying to do here, bro? Must have a known. Bruh, how can it not know? Add as F32. And now here I just do probably the same issue. Add int from float. Okay, that's fine. Good. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Let's see how it goes. I don't know, I didn't see anything too drastic. Right, but it only happens. Ah! There it happened. Look at that. What happens if, can I scale it up also? Could I say 2? That would be crazy. I want to see. I don't know really if anything happened there. Oh no. Wait. Okay. Oh no. Yeah. Phew. Anyways, that's fine. We'll fix this now. So the issue that we're actually having right now, if I think if I scale it down, that works. There. Let's see. Does not match surface markings option out of date, but that should be caught. Wait, what? Request image extends. It does not match surface. But out of date should be caught. Wait, hold on. Why is it not catching it? If I'm like... Now it's catching it. Wait, did Discord die? Hello? No? Oh, no, I'm still here.
Nah, you're okay.
I'm good. Oof. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out actually what the fuck is going on. Wait, let me see here. Somebody. Hmm. What's the actual issue? Like, it should request image extend does not match surface Making chain out of. Okay, let's see. That should be like. I don't think. Because in the beginning of the draw, if I wait, I get current frame, I wait for pens, I reset, then I acquire it, and then immediately after, and then if it happens to be out of date, I shouldn't even try to do anything. Or is it because it still happens in between there that it has time to fuck up or something? No, because when I got the thing, it should be valid. When I acquired this image, it should be fine at that point still. I don't understand. But there it works. There it worked. Now it broke. Turn from about to call draw 0. Successful return from render.raw. I don't understand. Because then it just continues. It should just continue here and recreate the swap chain. Everything should be valid in here as well. Let's see if I just go in here and I add this one back in here. That's though the instant. I don't know if it really will help to debug anything, but there. Not really the thing I wanted to, but let's see. Let's see. These are all fine. It just says which frame. Yeah, this is fine. It didn't really add anything more. If anything, it just made things a little bit more hard to read. Because I don't... Bruh. Let's see. Yeah. But it's so odd. Like... Okay. I'm actually gonna just take this. And we are gonna do this. Bro. Because I feel like that shouldn't actually be... Except if it's for the swap chains. Or the image views. But the image views should be fine now when you think about the... Because I do update them here now. They should be fine. Unless, is there... Maybe I'm missing something. Nah. Let's see. Sig docs. I cannot understand what could possibly... please help. And I don't know even where it could start off to begin with, because I feel like everything here is just wrong. That it shouldn't even get to a point where this could be an issue. I can see you're having Vulkan's option issue where the requested image extent don't match the surface extent. Let me first... Right, but that's because what actually got applied is not the thing. Right. If I'm gonna change this, I actually need to change to what got returned from this thing. Because here I recreate and then I get the capabilities here and then I get the actual extent. Yeah. Okay. I guess this one is kind of valid to do a return on actual extent. I think it might even suggest the same thing. Problem is in the swap chain. Wait, I can see the issue node. From swap chain regrowth. When you create the swap chain, you need to handle the case where the server there. Yeah, if the service is defined, use directly actual blah blah blah. I think it might even suggest doing the same. Wait. Your server reports a current text that the swap chain creation fails to mismatch between the issue is that the capabilities extent, yes, are not the maximum values. You should use the current extent. Instead, you're trying to clamp. Okay, that's actually another thing I should also do, to be honest. But now it's. Where did it actually apply it? Wait. Oh no! Don't tell me it. No, no, no. What? Where are you trying to edit? Yeah, you should. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actual. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Here. Now it did it correctly. Oh yeah. That. Okay. There and there. Okay. And then it changes. Don't know if I want to accept that. I also need to fix the same issue in the init, but you already did the same. Yeah, we should do it again. But I do set the extent here, so I don't actually need to return it. I can just reuse it. Oh, yes. Then I don't need to. Yeah, yes, yes. We will change it to be like that. But wait, I do take the swap chain extent already, though. So I mean that should be fine. Those two shouldn't be actually the issue because I already do use the. I thought I actually had something going on, but now I just realized. Wait, but do I in the recreation? Do I update the? I do. But that's just for the crate info. That's not. Oh, yes. What are you doing? Okay, now it's starting to hallucinate something super crazy. Wait. No. Don't do anything. I think I got the plan. Because I can just go in here. Oh, whoa, okay. Yes. And then before we do the return here, I'm probably also gonna change a few other things here. But wait, don't I have access to... I don't have access to self. No, that's true. Fuck. But I do have access in the recreate. I have access to self. That's where it matters. Yes, yes, yes. And then here, but I do say self image extend these things. Why wouldn't it work? Oh wait, but I'm not putting to the, no, I do put it to the actual extent. That should be fine. Okay, now it's completely out of. Oh no, 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 integer. That's another thing. Okay, but upscaling is fine. Downscaling is the thing I need to fix. A freeze. Crazy. That's crazy. Wait, did it actually? No, there it is again. Fucking Christ. That it should always catch. It shouldn't. This shouldn't be. Okay. I'm gonna do a recreation. I'm just gonna do print extend any. No, I'm gonna say actual extend. And then we're gonna do a new line also there, otherwise this will not be good. And then we're gonna go to the renderer, and then here, when we put this, draw image extend, draw image. Or could it be because, well, hold on. I think I might know another reason why it might fail, but that sounds so weird. Okay, here, now we can see extend was this, and draw image extend was that. And then it says request image extend, match 7. Yeah, okay, so my actual extent was this, but somehow the surface was. But that if the surface was that, then this should trigger. Like, you shouldn't be able to get into a point. where that's even possible to happen. Like the draw should immediately just return from here and say resize is equal to true. Do I put resize equal to true in here? Yeah. I cannot understand why this doesn't work. Okay. That's so weird. Because it's like it's not doing the resize, but I am. It says that image extent, which it is, and it got so weird because it got recreated with this, right? Wait. Does not match surface image extent. How is the image extent this? I got it that it's this, but that matches what that says it should be. Okay, there is one thing. Right. Well, that's a bit of a silly mistake, to be honest. Huh.
Yo.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, Omi.
Is it Mr. Omi?
Yep.
It is.
The Y is up. The Y is up.
The Y? That's crazy.
Correct.
The Y. Yeah, Unreal Engine doesn't know it yet.
Wait, did it actually? What did it do? Because I just saw it check. What? Did it actually fix it? How? I just saw it add a true or a false. Oh.
Just add NVIDIA upscaler.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
that's
just
exactly what we need.
I was thinking of adding this inside of here, but yeah, bro, that's actually the correct way of doing it. And now, yeah, that makes sense. Oh my god, I must have been a big ass retard. How could I not figure this out? Oh my god. Now I'm a bit ashamed of myself, to be honest, that I did not consider this. Okay, resizing works because guys, you know what I did? You wanna know what I did? Why it didn't
Something
work?
stupid.
Yes. Everything was fine. The problem was that I did, when I resize, I put a resize variable to true. Hello, criminal. But so that means that when it's true, I can call recreate swap chain. I never
You
put it.
never made it false again.
Yes, so it was constantly recreating the swap chain.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what I did
Mm.
when I did the if resize. First thing that I did is resize is false. Like before doing any other work, I knew that I had to zero that out before forgetting.
Oh my god, how could I? Bruh. That's such a bruh moment.
And that's what we said was the stupidest thing you could ever do. And well, here we are.
Yeah, Lucas is not the highest IQ person that I know. And I barely know this guy, Lucas.
Yeah, me
Alright,
too.
that's fine.
Me too.
I wanted to fix a few things. Close that now. Okay. I guess I will actually do a wait. I will quickly deafen just to get this recording also saved. I'm just gonna quickly do this, and then we'll do a one of this. All right, we got window resizing working. Woo! The issue was that I never put the resizing back to false after resizing. So yeah, we had problems. Lol. All right, I think that's probably pretty good. All right, back. And I'm still running the thing. Damn.
Welcome.
Thank you. I'm just gonna upload this in current progress, so I think this one, right? Welcome to the server. That guys, don't worry about that. If you join the Discord server, you can watch that clip. Window that I never resizing, so yeah, we had problems. Lol. We had problems. Lol. Window. No, not there. Window resize work. Wow. And then let's upload it. Please don't tell me it's too big. Not too big, not too big, not too big. Yeah. Funny. How do you spell resize? Resize. Like so. Okay. And of course I uploaded the wrong video. Like I'm a genius, am I not?
You are.
Thank you. That's what I wanted to hear. Where is it in the resize work? There. Bam. $3.95. That's pretty good. All right. Next thing on the list. I have a list, guys. Trust me. So I will just say that it's done. And I will add. I write down that we need to fix that mesh loading.
Sure.
And another thing I want to actually create swap rather than yes. So let's see. Well, it's just loading until yesterday. Okay. Right, we got. Okay, good. Okay, so I think I just realized that I'm doing something very stupid here in the creation of the swap chain or the recreation of it, and that is the returning of this damn tuple. So I said it correctly now, didn't I?
Tuple.
No,
Tuple.
tuple. You fucking
It's a
bitch.
tuple. It's a tuple.
Anyways,
Tuple.
what we can do is just take this because the format we could do outside and just pass it into the function, and then it won't be a tuple return. And I dislike the tuple return.
A tuple.
Oh my god, kill me now. And then we could actually just create a function that is called function get swap chain format, right? And in here we'll just put this, and that will need the physical device. So EK physical device, we will need a surface. VK surface, what else do we need? That's pretty much it. And then we'll just return a VK, and what is that? CVK surface. I can't spell. Surface format Chronos. I'm not using the second extension. And then we just return chosen format. And with this, it will get a lot easier to just, well, use the damn thing. So in here, we'll also take in. We take in the surface. We will also take chosen format. vk.c, vk. I forgot what it actually was called. Right. Something format. Oh my god. Surface format. Format chronos. There. Bam. And like so. And then in the
Hey
creation
Lucas,
of
go to coding in Discord.
do I
I
dare?
wanted to find out what language this is.
Oh no. In32? F open. That looks like F close looks like what the but then you have a pub FN. Ah!
Yeah. So what language could it be?
But Sig doesn't have a in32. The only thing that I would say Sig, but the only thing that makes me not think it's Sig is the in32 as return type. And
Okay.
then there's
Also,
also
this program runs.
what the fuck is that? Bro, what is that?
Yeah, I forgot to mention that. What it is? You don't wanna know.
I don't wanna know. Oh, that's not get swap chain. It should actually be get surface format.
See. Yeah. Sorbet said it all.
Wait, what did Sorbit say? C? Is there a C? Wait, what? Does that exist? What is that? What is it supposed to mean?
No.
No? Just no. And now we can remove this thing, which just makes it look awful and horrible. And because we won't even be using it, so it will also make that go away. Of course, we will have to do a little bit of changes here. We could either just pass the function directly, but I think it's better to just say const surf.
Okay, guys, go back to coding.
Wait, let me just do this.
I
real
sent
quick.
the entire file. Yeah, sure. It's I don't know. This is like if Lucas was writing in this language. This is how it would look.
Oh no. Wait, let me
Is
just.
it?
No, wait. I'm just going through these things. And
Yeah,
then
sure. You gotta
here.
show this on stream also because it is so good.
Yeah, it's starting to sound like it. Then here, we'll do that. Surface format, and we'll pass it in. So, found 5. Get surface format. Expected to. Right, we only need physical device. Physical device of surface. We don't need this. Okay, that's even better. Easy peasy. And expected. Yeah. I don't. Yeah, do I need a try on it? Damn it. Try. But then it's not used anywhere else. Why did I? Hold on.
Lucas reading coding. It's so good.
Wait, wait, let me just get this thing straight first.
Yeah, sure.
It should be fine. Wait, the expected, yeah, right, because it's still a tuple. Tuple.
A tuple.
Yes. Like so. And then we can.
Tupe.
Tuple.
As a pair, yes.
Struct cannot be destructed. Right, I still have this thing. Bam, bam, bam. And now we'll have that, and then we can just say surface format, and bada bing, bada boom, we are super happy. And then here, need a try first of all. And then we also just get rid of the device from there. We don't need that. And then we can just take width and height. Okay, that should... It's a little bit cleaner because I don't have that damn tuple now anymore. So that's pretty good. And it should still run. It didn't? Oh wait, but that's because of the mesh loader. Ba-bam, 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 ba-bam. We got the bam.
Look,
You
you gotta look in coding. Also, that looks like the exact same thing as before.
Yeah, but that's the point. Okay, I'm gonna look in coding now.
Okay.
What do we have
Yeah.
here? What the fuck is this flashing thing?
Press on it. Press on the blank thing. It like exposes what it actually is.
It is? Wait, you can do it, brother.
It is saying. Yeah, you can do
Oh.
aliases. This is if you had like, this is what would happen if you coded without me being around.
I hate how accurate it is. This is for real what I
Yeah.
would do.
You like it.
I would do that. I would
Yeah.
do that. I would do that.
And then is it the yeah, it's so scuffed. Like look in the main function. Like look at this garbage.
What is this? Okay, so it's just okay. Okay.
Yeah, we got the error handling, man. Of course.
okay, but this okay, this I wouldn't do. I would just put this straight in here. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Right.
And then the classic casting. Yes. Very nice.
Yeah, of course.
That's
Yeah, I also did like global variables and I didn't like show it to you, so you would think that you declared variables by just doing like a name and then it equals.
Thank God there is error handling. Almost.
Yeah. Yeah, there's just a bunch of panics everywhere. Oh, you remember what I did to your beautiful C language? Like that shit was awful. It was
Bro.
horrendous.
Okay, I still want to fix a few
Well,
things.
time to go up and make another language scuffed.
Still gonna do some change fixes here. Let's see, what else can we do? Because I don't like, if the surface size is undefined, use it directly. What? This is such a... If capabilities is not equal to and height is not equal to, then... Okay, they did the ternary operator on this. This is the most... And then else... I guess you can do this. Like, just look at this thing. They have if this... If it's true, then they do this, else... Like, the AI cooked this shit up. Else it just does this. But how unreadable isn't this? I mean, okay, it's not... If you actually just read it line by line, you will see what it does. But... I don't know, Harold. What's is this actually something the way you should be doing this? Because I'm like, oh god, no.
What are you trying to do?
No. This is AI cooked this thing up, alright? So it's a ternary operator, right? Or ternary. It's not called ternary operator,
Okay.
but it's the same concept, right? So they have actual extent is equal to if this whole logic section, if it's true, then actual extent becomes equal to this, right? Makes sense. And then they have the else.
Mm-hmm.
They put it equal to this. They created the
Yeah, well, I don't understand Vulkan, but you know, sure. But I would probably specify vk.c dot blah blah blah.
Yeah,
in
like
the,
this.
yeah, exactly. And then,
Yeah.
you do
And then dot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was I was thinking as well.
Yeah.
Still a little bit.
I don't know. It looks fine.
Yeah,
It's a bit weird, but
a bit
it
weird.
works, I guess.
Yeah, I would almost just like to
But,
do it. I wouldn't like to do
nah.
it like this, to be honest.
Nah, if it works, it works, and if it's compact, it's compact.
Well,
which is
the whole
almost.
thing is that
so
it's
fine.
kind of compact, but kind of like. I would almost just write it
Nah, it's
to.
fine.
We already have the undefined pattern here going, so I think I would rather just do.
Oh my god, no ternary operator,
No,
man.
no, 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 no.
Oh my god, this is so stupid.
No, 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 no.
Bro, you should use ternary operators more.
They are
Man, he's
fine, but
scared
not
of
when they
ternary
not when
operators.
they make things look hard to read. Usually they do make things just hard to read, but this case is just I think it's too much. Like it's usually it's
Oh
fine,
my
but
god.
in this case it's not.
Okay. Wow, congratulations. You made it 10 times more unreadable.
No, no, this is more readable. Trust me.
You
Bro.
know, because that file I sent encoding, that is literally you right now.
Shut up.
It's true. That's the average Lucas code.
I think I have one too many of something somewhere. Maybe the ternary was still more
You
readable,
have
to be honest.
way
Now
too
when I
many.
think when I started
Yeah,
mixing it, I
ternary
was
is way
like,
better.
yeah, no, the ternary was definitely more readable. Okay, we'll go with that. This could also just be a function. Get surface extent, because I do it twice. It could be a function. Yeah. Get actual surface extent. FN get surface format, surface extent. And then we'll just do that, and then we'll return the VK surface extent, but I'm just gonna take this away from here, put it in here. Right. Do we need a try here? We don't. But I need to get the capabilities. Okay, this. If I need the capabilities for something else, I will not do this. No, I don't need the capabilities for something else. I will also take the capabilities out from here. Good. And then it needs a try. And then it needs. What happened? pk dot physical wise. It needs the surface. And what else does it need? It needs the width and height. And is there something else? Nope. Return. So. And then we can use that up here. Const. d with height. Like so. And we try. Like so. And that's a little bit better. And then create swap chain. Same for this thing. We'll just switch it to this row. And yeah. Well, now we could also put this in the init actually. Wait, but I call create swap chain. I'm kind of stupid. I just realized lol. XD. Yeah, no, that's fine. Well, I guess I could also do this in here, so we could reuse. the actual extent here for the creation of the thing. Yeah, hold on, what? What am I doing? Here, create swap chain. Recreate swap chain. Okay, now I have a duplicate of this and I don't like that. Do I use the actual extent? I do, but that's not needed anymore because I can just do this. And what I can do here instead is, because we have already recreated the swap chain, I should have access to because it goes through here. Swap chain info, right, but it doesn't have access to self. We can change it up a little bit. We'll take the like this. We'll change it to like this. Surface extend. Oh my god. Extend. Like so easy peasy. And we'll just remove that and we'll take this also. This was never even used in here.
BB.
Alright. Oh wait, it was. Ah, this is what I don't wanna do. I don't wanna get the capabilities twice. So that means I would have to do it like this. I need to rethink this a little bit. I mean, it works, but it's in a way I don't like how it works. Because now, let's say you create the swap chain. I need to know I should actually pass that in, but then I should also pass the capabilities in. And that feels like you could just do inside of the, because now create extent, I was making the assumption that capabilities is not needed anywhere else, but now it shows that it needed elsewhere as well, so hallelujah, this is amazing. Fuck me, create swap, but I need to get access to the, yeah, I cannot do it. Okay, I will just change it a little bit so you will actually take this. It was so nice how it just worked, but okay, capabilities. We'll also take that in over here. Bruh, this was a, but then we don't need to pass this in. Like so. And then recreate. We'll go from init first. It was so nice how it just worked. Oh my god. Okay. Maybe I could think of a better way of doing this. Not that it will change, but I just feel like it's a redundant thing to get called all the time. Capabilities. I need a capability.
You know what, Lucas?
Hmm?
Since I've actually not used C++ like ever,
What the fuck?
and you know,
How?
I've never used it, and I know about it, but I've never used it. And since I can't hate on something I haven't used really, so I'm gonna use C++ to make a simple game, so I
Okay.
can hate on it later.
Just go with
So I'm
Unreal
gonna
in
probably
that
keep
case,
my
bro. Just go with Unreal.
What? Um, yeah. If you want to make a game with C++, just use Unreal. Yeah, what a great idea.
No, but for
Yeah,
real,
see, in 10 years when this
bro,
installed, and I've managed to run it for 5 seconds.
It's so easy, bro.
It's trash. No, I'm gonna use like SFML or something
Well, that's also a pretty
because
good
it's C++.
choice.
Yeah, I know it's very C++, so that's
But
why.
like bro, like
But I
for
gotta do
real,
it with the SIG build system.
you would ace like Unreal, like bro, come on.
What? No, I hate Unreal, man.
Okay.
I used it for 5 seconds, and then I realized my PC is way too bad for it, and then I was like, yeah, nah.
Well, SFML is also pretty cool, to be honest.
Yeah, except I'm using the SIG build system because I don't want to suffer that much.
All right. I mean, slightly better, but still I don't like this being called twice. That this should definitely get a little bit of a fix. We're gonna put the recreation just above here for the, because I feel like it's kind of like more major thing. And yeah, this could definitely become something a little bit more organized, but it's fine. You have the deinit, you have the recreate if needed, which is a bit sus, but it's better than having that damn tuple. Fuck's sake, that tuple pissed me off. Like I couldn't sleep last night.
That tuple.
Tupel.
You couldn't sleep because of a tuple? Damn.
Yeah, bro.
The tuple was actually a master at rage bait.
For real, like, bro, I was so close to just wanna cry and die.
Why did you hate the tuple so much?
Because it was so disgusting to return two variables at the same time. I was like, Jesus Christ, I need better architect this damn.
That's what you were. Bro was rage baited by a language with features. Oh, damn.
But
Bro,
bro,
yes,
like,
tuples are so amazing. I
yes,
love tuples.
no, like, don't get me,
Tuples are
they
so
are,
nice.
but not in the way I was using.
Yeah, well, that's because you were using them.
Fuck you, Harold. All right, but
It's true though.
now we should be able to easily start. Well, what the fuck did I happened here? Whatever. It's okay. Now we should be easily get it more easily debugging why. Where's the camera actually here? But why is the cube? I never. The cube is correct now. Well, I mean, I'm happy. Just a bit surprised that the cube
Are
is.
you though?
Just a bit surprised that the cube is correctly rendered. Yeah, I mean, okay. So now we can actually get to see why. I think we should fix the mesh thing, why it's loading in them correctly, incorrectly. Because if I try to load like something like Chungus, let's actually do a git push in between here.
Shangus?
Working.
Did someone say Shangus?
Swap chain
That's
recreation,
interesting.
and then git push. I should actually limit the FPS probably as well while I'm at it, but okay. So here in the main, we tell it to load the cube. So let's say to it load the chunk. I think I just call it chunk. Yeah, I call it chunk. It probably won't load, but git push. Yes. There it is. Okay. So now we need to figure out why integer does not fit in the destination. Like, why does it crash when it tries to load? That it would be nice to, let's see, go in here with upload to GPU. What could possibly go wrong in these cases? Like, there's like, we have this thing, we have this, we have that, we have this, we have this. And then it just tries to load all of these things. I don't try to free anything prematurely, am I? And empty, process all phases. That is It's a bit of a yikes casting there, but sure. See, yeah. It should still be fine. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, let's not do that there. Oh, still. Integer does not fit in description of 528. Is it 28? Yeah, okay. So here, this is a U size. But how is it possible that a... Integer does not fit in this destination? What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? I don't want to overestimate my skills, but my target is unlimited FPS for my game. Unlimited FPS, bros. That's like at least this many. I'm gonna get some more tea real quick, BRB. Oh man. The tea was cold, so yeah. 485. Is it always around that place?
Also, I'll probably going now.
Yeah.
So I wish you good luck.
Thank you, thank you.
Yep. And see ya.
See ya, bye bye. 485 is always where it crashes. That's so weird. We'll just do... Yeah, we can do this. This is quite stupid. But if index vertex index is equal to 4084, then we break. It might be super stupid, but I want to see something. No? 476 now. What the fuck? Okay, it's just trolling me. It just knows that I'm trying to find something out, and it's like, lol, fuck you. 485. Okay, wait, am I breaking the wrong thing? Okay. V index. Or is it in a different place? Wait, 528. Ah. But how? 468. Okay, let's just do 4000. I don't know why it would break in any of these. It's just with this casting somehow that breaks. But why does it work if I just use a normal mesh objq? Why is that fine? It's just like, we're chilling. We're chilling. Why is this chilling? What is so special about is incast. Let's see. I mean, they have to be cint, right? But it sometimes breaks and sometimes not. So let's see if I just do a I32 because it's cint, right? Let's see first that it runs with a cube. That seems fine. And then we do chunk. Nope, still. Integer does not fit in destination type. Oops. What could that possibly mean? As an integer overflow, invalid cast occurred. Integer overflow. Okay, but let's see then. Could it be? But that should be a valid value. Value. So. Oh, okay. -1. Should I just... Yeah, because if I cast a -1, if... I don't know if this is the correct way of fixing this thing right now, but I'm just gonna say is larger or equal to 0. Still it went through that. How is that possible? Where did it crash now? It must be some other place. 15. But that shouldn't... Ah, bruh. Wrong thing. Ah! There it is. Oh, we're... there it's gone. I didn't see it. Okay. Oh, that's hilarious. Alright. Interesting. So I probably just have... But I didn't... Why does it even occur? Tiny obj loader seal. Here. Do they have examples? I just cooked more tea, but I don't know if I'm gonna... I'm trying to find out regarding count. Nothing on count? There has to be a reason why, like, for here. That's basically the same, right? Vertices. Yes, this is the same. So, face num vertices, attributes, face num vertices. But here is the interesting thing that they check if f. What is f? Well, for f is smaller than this. But then what happens if you get the one that is the one that overflows? Now I'm very unsure about. I must be doing something else completely wrong. For triangle mesh, get here, vertex count. Face index, that's the I. Wait, no, what? Yes, here. Non-face vertices. Yeah, that's still the same. And then they just pass it in, but then they should also have the same issue that I'm having. They also cast it to the same type, basically. But if you do this, then you will basically have one case where there's in like as many divided by 3. What the fuck? Wait, there has to be something else, right? No, that's it. And then you just plus plus, and that basically is gonna be like 1/3 of the largest possible value you can get inside of a U size or size TU, and that's not good, is it? I must be doing something else wrong. Like, really? Come on. If face count, it's an integer smaller than 0. Continue. I will do it like this instead. Now we'll take away this thing. Yeah, that should still be fine. Yeah. Kind of interesting still though. All of this say value 0. What? Isn't this just supposed to happen if I have one of these? Yeah, that's better, I think. Don't they do the same thing in here? Hmm? They're just... Ah, no, wait. Assert. Okay, so I just have something wrong in my model, maybe. That could also be the issue. But yeah, here they do this, and that is inside of this whole thing. But I think because I did this now, I don't even need that check anymore. Yeah, it's fine as well. Okay, that's crazy. We don't need that. I guess, but it says face first. Why would you have to say that again? Process all faces within attributes. Well, that's already written there as well. There's no allocation failure I think in here anymore. Let's see what's if we break out of this thing. Do we have any memory leaks? No. Everything seems to be fine. So then we're good. We're good to go. And now we should be able to also easily, where's my render docs? There it is. Launch application. Launch the program. No. There. And I will take a snapshot. Bam. It's upside down. That's crazy. We should be able to know how many the fuck is there? 24,000. Damn. That's like a lot of them. Anyways. Now we should be able to go to mesh viewer, and it's look good. It looks except for that it's a bit flattened. But that's pretty good. And upside down. But besides that, it's pretty good. Okay. Color is good. UV is well, I don't load those things, but I don't really care. Okay. Now that's fantastic. I guess we can do a little bit of making look pretty. Why is there? No, there is. Okay, good. What we can do now is that we can close a lot of these things. And then we can go in here. And then in the renderer, we will change a few things to when the creation, if the graphics pipeline happens, because I don't want this thing to be there anymore. No, wait. Actually, I don't want. Do I? And then I wonder, okay, so that's what I actually wanted to do, but I wonder, should I also... I just care about this mesh thing, actually, for now. We will now also change the camera, I think. I think we will. I don't know, this doesn't seem to do the thing it was supposed to. Oops. That should be fine. Panic. Oh no, look at that, we got another one of these. Okay, let's see. 508. So in the... I'm stupid. 508, 508. So here, what was the issue? It said integer does not fit in destination, so probably an overflow again, meaning that this thing returned a most likely a negative value. This, but how can it give different values per run? I tell it to be 0. I tell that to be 0. These things should be allocated from the library itself. It shouldn't be using any garbage values. This one should by itself use allocators to keep track on it. That's why I have to call free down here. So I shouldn't have any weird garbage values there. Offset index should be fine. Okay. I should still fix that though, because we don't want it to be like randomly. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work, because that's not good either. Where'd the music go? Let's see. Wait. I don't want to do that anymore. I'm not gonna do that anymore. All right, let's see. I will just try to run. Oh yeah, that's also another one of the... I quit a bit too early before I just realized. Funny that it was looking quite alright actually with the early exit. I might be doing some extra verses maybe. We will find out. Okay, then I should really redo this one. What was it? The thing I wanted to do was to... I wrote it down. I don't remember. Right, the renderer. Why is it still upside down? I thought I was swapping the right thing. Projection. Because if I change this one, we should get a different perspective. This one should be applied. Yeah. So that works. But why? Isn't index 6 0 through... Wait, let me go into this thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 5. Oh. Now it should be flipped, right? Yeah! A bit high though, but it's there. It's way better than the what it used to be. But that's okay. Oh, was it that? Was it that? That's why it was like squished. Because we can see here, it's kind of like. So now if I relaunch it, will we actually have the? And I take a snapshot. Is it now gonna be not that squished? Right, I need to select it. There. Where am I? How do I move? Why can I not move? My controls are... Okay. No, it's still kind of squished. I don't know, bro. I was expecting it not to be squished anymore. It's okay. We don't need it to be perfect. Well, we're gonna fix it, of course, but we will next try to... Let's see. These are all fine. Yes. Where is it actually being... Right, this is actually considered a model view matrix, actually. Oh, well, this thing. Yeah, projection matrix plus... Oh, it's actually multiplied, but I don't have the model. Which I probably should get, so I could move it down slightly. Bruh. Let's see. Texturing will probably be next. Just wanna see where they do the... Here. Do they do the model? No, they just do world matrix and then they just... It's okay. Let's see, we have this. Now we have this. Ah, just a few changes still. What did they do? They also added... No, this I already did. Yeah. And now we can add the slider GUI run function inside GUI background parameters at this. This will give a render scale editable slider that will go from 0 to 3. We don't want to go past because it will break the solution, run it and try to resize the window and play with the render scale. You will see that now we can maximize or move around the window and change its resolution dynamically. We are setting up the draw image a bit small, but if you want, try to increase the size of the draw image from place it's created in init swap chain. Set the resolution instead of the window extent, which is hard-coded to small size. With this, we have 3 done. We can move forward to the next chapter. I still think there's a few things missing, but I mean, it's alright. It's alright. Let's do a quick update. We'll record this and then we can... Bam! So we'll record a few and stop it. Yo, what's up? And then current progress, we'll change it to... I think this is the latest, right? No, that's my old. I should get rid of those. There. Wait, what? That's different one. Fuck. Maybe it's the wrong order. Is it? Wait, what? I don't know my own file system, bros. I'm in the right folder. It should save them as. It should be this one, right? Yeah. No. Bro, did I ever stop the thing? Did I even record the thing? What? That should be it. But it's not. Wait, what? I swear to God, I did stop the recording. I did start the recording, I did stop the recording. Let's see, did it even become an... I didn't. Okay. Well, we'll try again. Doesn't have to be perfect, I just want people to be able to see stuff. Okay, so... I'm buying. Now it should be recorded. There it is. We don't need this as an MP. Actually, I could have... Bruh, whatever. Whatever, alright? We'll just change it now in here. There it is. Open. Okay, what? Am I... How stupid am I? Wait. Should... No, this is it. Oh, it's just not updated. Now, there it is. Crazy. Am I right? Yo, green guy mesh, what was his name? Ben Bozo was his name. Should I use Ben Bozo also for this game? That would be fucking hilarious. Maybe I will use Ben Bozo. I will look into it. But I think mesh loading is somewhat okay. I don't know, it's some weird crashes still. I think maybe I will completely redo it when we move it. For now, it's pretty good. We'll continue. One thing I really want to also fix is, well, these are gonna add now the textures, but one thing I really want to do is to get rid of having this here, the draw image and the depth image. I think I want to put those in the swap chain and to keep them there for the purpose of because right now I only have one draw image, right? And then I got the swap chain that is the presented image, and I have one draw, so I have like 3%. And then I start painting on this one, and then I copy paste it over to here. While this is doing the copy pasting, I don't know, I don't know what I'm doing, if it's legit or not, because what I'm doing is just taking the next one, starting to draw on it already. Well, not really, but I don't know if it's like kind of bottlenecking it, because I only have one draw. Like, if you think about it, I have acquire next. I take the swap chain, image index, and then I just make the assumption here that I can probably just draw the thing here right now and make a barrier, and like, I don't know if it's even good synchronization. I should probably have a draw image for every image I want to copy over to, right? Is it gonna be a 3D game, right? Yes, it's gonna be. Did you already make camera stuff? No. Camera stuff is still on its way. Well, I guess I have perspective. But here, meshes and cameras comes here, and I think, but we'll have to see. Small things at a time, trying to make it somewhat good, so I could actually use this to do something. Like the previous projects that I have just been for funsies to make. But this one I actually want to make a playable game out of, so I'm trying to make it so I can easily go and tweak things, like, for example, the creation of the pipeline here. I want it to be like, okay, so for example, when I have the mesh pipeline right here, I just create a config. So I do vk pipeline, a graphics pipeline, I get a config again, which I then tell it which fragment shader, which vertex shader I want to use, and descriptor set layout, and then push constants. I can just do like this. And then with this, I can just create this config mesh, and then I can modify it, and then I actually initialize this graphics pipeline and pass it in, and I store that in my pipelines. It will be easy like that, and then I don't know if I want to make it possible to do it through here. So you take in the library, you create the render, then you can init pipeline, what pipeline you want to use, and then you can upload the mesh, and then I probably have upload textures. You should probably somehow be able to connect these two. The ECS will be able to do, well, yeah, you don't but you will get return a handle and then store this in the ECS, and the ECS will then take care of like communicating to the render, like, okay, I want you to render this mesh with this texture right now, and the ECS will, I got you, bro. The render will be, I got you, bro. So I'm trying to make it really like usable. Yeah. But I think I will call it there, and tomorrow we'll continue on with this thing. Might put a render frame limit. I already got the logic for it, basically. I don't know what the fuck. But anyways, we'll do it tomorrow. Good night, everybody. I'm gonna hit chest and back tomorrow. Bye-bye.